Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So today we'll see how you can use the Moodle sandbox. Okay, so this video is helpful for those who only know around the Moodle. They have basic knowledge, but they want some implementation around Moodle, or they want to use Moodle as a platform for training their resources or students, you can say. So this video is helpful for them. Okay, for that you can explore the feature, what all feature Moodle have. You can switch to Moodle Sandbox. You can search here on Google, and it will give you Moodle demo. You can say either you can go for Moodle demo. So first thing you can directly go with, or you can click here on the demo. Okay, so this is basically will give you a platform where you can create a course, create a user, assign training, and take a course as a learner. You can see the reports. So kind of thing you can play around using this platform. Okay, so it's not totally free. Within one session you can only use for the 30 minutes. After 30 minutes your all data will be raised. Okay, so you will also have to take care of this boundary time bound. So let's begin with this. So you can see here you can try Moodle in two ways. Either you can go with Moodle Sandbox or Mount or School. So explore Moodle in action on the site, populated with courses, activity, and user. So here you see the courses will be already populated. Some activity within that course will have, some users will have. Now if you switch to this as a training platform for your testing purpose, try Moodle as kind of feature on this empty out of the box side. Okay, so in this case you will have to start everything from the fresh. You start with this right row. Okay, and if you start with this left one, you'll have the setups, the basic setup, like the courses will be there, users will be there, and some activity will be there. Okay, so after clicking on the first one, the left side, you can see here on top what role you can basically explore. If I click on this choose role, you can explore as a teacher, a student, manager, parent. So these are the roles you can basically explore with. Okay, but in case you directly click here on the toppermost right, topmost right, if you click here, then you can also see here the credentials. Okay, so currently I'm going to log in with this. So the role will be basically your username, and the password will be this model 202024. Okay, so I am going to log in with manager, and yes, you can see here your session starts. So basically it will give you the 30 minutes to explore, and after that your data will be reset. That means there is no guarantee you will have the data you will be searching for after whatever you have set after 24 minutes. So I can see I have 25 minutes now, right? Okay, so if I go to dashboard, I can see like this. So latest announcement, you can see you'll have options here in Moodle. You can go for the latest announcements. Then the online users, you can see the currently 3 users are online. Okay, you can see I'm logging with this particular user, so I can see here. Okay, and myself, in case I want to hide my online status from others, yes, I can go for this one. If I click this and this, both of these users will not be able to see me in the home. Okay, so these are so recently accessed course list. You can see here the timeline you will have, the calendar you will have. Okay, so kind of thing you can go for. Then the private files, you can see each and every user will have this option. They can store their private files. So no other than that particular user can access. Now coming to see the courses. Okay, so I am going to use here this course. Okay, so I am going to create a assignment. So for that, I can edit from the top. So here I am going to, sorry, no, I don't want to add new sections. But yes, you can go for the adding new sections. I just have to add here activity. So assignment I am going to pick. So I am going to put my first name so that I can easily get this name after saving. Okay. So I am not Going to check spelling of course. Because I have only 23 minutes to play around. Okay. So if I come here within this course, and I can check the participants here, and the learner, I can see this. Okay. Okay. So even I can impersonate with that particular learner account. If I click on the login as and continue, now I am switched to this row, this user. Okay. So if I click on the my courses, so first it is asking me no permission to arrange this. Okay. So whatever the permission will have, we also have to the pass. Is I can see its privacy policy. I can view this. So no permission to agree to the policy behalf of this. Okay. So currently I don't have access to access this particular area. Okay. So Moodle have this kind of setting. You can either enable or you can disable this kind of feature for particular role. Okay. So again, coming to this course, I have created here assignment. You can see. So I can also click here on the grades. You can see the grades. So now coming to assignments. And if I click on the submissions, I can see list of all. So I have to submit here. I am going to submit. Okay. So currently I see no submission. So admin user will have option. They can submit the assignment on their behalf. But currently this is hidden from this particular user. So I did this mode. So even now during edit, so prevent submission change. Okay, submission change not allowed. Allow submission change. Then, okay, so this is very helpful for those who are thinking I have to use Moodle. Yeah, I am going to use Moodle as a platform to train students. Okay, so this was around the course submission. Okay, so you can see here the marking guide. You can, in case you have to add for the marker, those who marks grade, I can come here. Okay, so like this, I can see if I have to edit, I can also edit again. I can set up here the start date, end date, submission type. I can go for this. Correct? And same if you go under the site administrator, you'll have the here option around browse user, add user. You can go for upload users. In case you have many users, you can use this bulk user there. So in case you have additional fields, you can also, so currently you don't see here the full admin access. It's just a manager account. So you'll have that kind of feature. You can add, define your own metadata around the user, you can say. You can define. Same way you can define the metadata around the course. So that's it from this video. It was just a walkthrough for those who want to start with the Moodle as a platform, a training platform, want to start